Belly Bliss, unlock IBS relief with fermentation. In the quest for optimal gut health, many of us find ourselves navigating the complex web of dietary choices. For those suffering from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, this journey often comes with its own set of challenges and uncertainties. Among the myriad of dietary strategies, one ancient practice stands out for its potential benefits: the incorporation of fermented foods. But how do these traditional staples fare in the battle against IBS symptoms? Let's dive into the fermenting world to unlock the secrets of gut health. The power of fermentation. Fermented foods have been a cornerstone of human diets for thousands of years, celebrated not only for their enhanced shelf life and unique flavors but also for their health benefits. The process of fermentation involves the conversion of sugars into alcohol or organic acids using yeasts, bacteria, or a combination thereof. This transformation results in a proliferation of beneficial microorganisms, commonly known as probiotics. Probiotics, allies in gut health. For individuals with IBS, the balance of gut flora is a delicate dance. Probiotics, the beneficial bacteria found in abundance in fermented foods, can play a pivotal role in restoring this balance. They contribute to gut health by enhancing the intestinal barrier, modulating the immune system, and competing with harmful bacteria for both space and nutrients. Fermented foods and IBS, a closer look. Yogurt, a well-known source of probiotics. Yogurt can introduce beneficial bacteria to the gut. However, for those with lactose intolerance, a common companion of IBS, selecting lactose-free options or kefir might be more suitable. Sauerkraut and kimchi. These fermented cabbage products are not only rich in probiotics, but also in fibers and vitamins. Yet their high FODMAP content may require caution for some IBS sufferers. FODMAP stands for fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. These are short-chain carbohydrates that are poorly absorbed in the small intestine and can be fermented by bacteria in the gut. For some individuals, especially those with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, consuming foods high in FODMAPs can cause significant digestive distress, including symptoms like bloating, gas, abdominal pain, diarrhea, and constipation. The FODMAP diet, which involves limiting foods high in these substances, has been shown to be effective in managing symptoms of IBS and other functional gastrointestinal disorders. The diet typically includes multiple phases, starting with a strict elimination of high FODMAP foods, followed by a gradual process of reintroduction to identify personal triggers. Miso, this fermented soybean paste, is a flavorful way to add probiotics to your diet. Being low FODMAP, it's generally well tolerated by those with IBS. Kombucha, a fermented tea. Kombucha is another source of beneficial bacteria. However, its high acidity and potential alcohol content call for moderate consumption. Incorporating fermented foods into your IBS diet. Incorporating fermented foods into an IBS-friendly diet requires a balanced approach. Start with small servings to assess your tolerance and gradually increase as your gut adapts. It's also crucial to listen to your body and modify your diet accordingly, as individual responses to fermented foods can vary widely. Our role in your gut health journey. At BurpLids, we understand the importance of maintaining an optimal environment for fermenting foods at home. Our BurpLids are designed to ensure that your homemade fermented foods retain their probiotic richness, making them a perfect addition to your IBS management plan. Whether you're a seasoned fermenter or new to the game, our products are crafted to support your gut health journey. A healthier gut awaits. Embarking on a path to better gut health with IBS can feel daunting, but incorporating fermented foods might just be the key to unlocking a happier, healthier gut. Remember, it's about finding what works for you and your body. And with BurpLids, you're one step closer to nurturing your gut flora with every jar of fermented goodness. Take action for your gut health. Ready to take control of your IBS symptoms? With the power of fermented foods, visit our website today to discover how BurpLids can be your partner in gut health. Together, let's ferment towards a brighter, healthier future. Craft your health, cultivate your life. Dawn Hatfield,